Dear students, in this topic we are going to see about linear search algorithm. So first of all, what is searching? So searching is the process of finding some particular element in the list. Okay, and then if the element is present in the list, so then the process is called successful. So if you are going to find out the element in the list, then you find the element, and then it is the successful process. Okay, and then the process will returns the location of the element. So whether it is in the array or whether it is in the graph or whether it is in the tree, so we will find the element and then it will return the location of that element. Okay, and otherwise the search is called the unsuccessful. Okay, so this is about searching. So popularly we have two searching methods that we are widely used in order to search items in the list. So that is the linear search and a binary search method. So linear search is mostly used for the unordered element of the list. So we are implementing linear search algorithm in the unordered element of list, whereas in the binary search algorithm will implement in the ordered element of list. So mostly we implement binary search in the ordered element only. For example, if the student register number are arranged in the ordered element, we have to find the exam result, means we will implement the binary search algorithm. But linear search is not like that. We will implement in the unordered element list. Okay, and then so what is the technique we are using here means, so in we compare the elements of the array one by one. Okay, and then with the element that we are looking for, so what are the element we have to search, so we will compare that element by the index of the array. Okay, and then if the element that we are looking for is present in the array, so then the search is successful, otherwise or it is not. Okay, so the linear search is a simple, so it is a simple searching algorithm. So and it's a very basic algorithm also. So in linear search we search an element or a value in a given array by traversing the array. So we'll traversing from the starting of the array. So traversing array from the starting till the desired element or value is found. Okay, and then it is mostly used in unordered list. Okay, so this is the technique we are going to use in linear search algorithm. So here the example is given. So what this means 72635. So this is the unordered list of elements stored in an array of the index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is the item we are going to search means, so we are going to search the element 5. First we will compare the starting of the array, that is 0 index. We will check it out whether the array of 0 stores the item 5. No, it then it will compare the next index of the array. So array of 1. So array of 1 that is stored the value 5. No. So we will move on to the next array of index. So next array of index, this array of 2. So array of 2 whether it is to hold 5. No. So it is unsuccessful, and then it will return to the next array of index. So array of 3. So array of 3 that is hold the element 5. No. So it will hold the element 3. So it will move on to the next. So here we can check. So here we can check the item 5 with the array of 4. Array of 4 that is store the value 5. So it matches with the item 5, then it will return the element 5. So here the search algorithm completed, and then it will get successful. So like this the linear search algorithm is performed. What is the complexity of this searching means? So in best case, so for example, if the searching element is 7, if the searching element is 7 means it will present in the array of 0, that is in the starting of the array. So it will return the complexity equal to O of n. Okay, O of 1, sorry. And then in worst case, if the searching element is 5, if the element is 5 means it will present in the end of the array. So we will traverse the entire array. So we will search one by one, and we will traverse until we will get the key element. Okay, and then here the complexity equal to O of n. So n element we are searching, so the complexity is O of n. In average case also the complexity is equal to O of n. So this is about linear search complexities, and how we will write an algorithm for this means. So first we will traverse the array using a for loop. So we have to use for loop method. Okay, and then if every iteration compare the target value with the current value of the array. Okay, if the value matches, so if the value matches, return the current index of the array. If the value doesn't matches, means we will move on to the next array element. So this is the main point. If the value matches, means return the current index of the array. If the value doesn't matches, means move on to the next array of the element. Okay, and then if no match is found, then the algorithm will return the -1 value. So this is about the linear search algorithms.